Hi everybody, if you're here you're wondering how to import a DWG file or DXF file into XPath using Gmail. A very easy, simple way of getting information from your desktop to the field controller without using SD cards or USB sticks or cables like that. So we will get straight to it, get to our Gmail account, and we are going to go to download our setup demo, and on the top you'll see it downloaded there, complete. When we go into XPath, we're going to create a job. So I have in my site demo import, I'm going to create a new job here, and I'm going to add a new job, and it'll be demo set out. And on the left hand side you see import data, DXF DWG, and I'm going to tap this folder 3 times to get to downloads, and there is our file set out demo, and on the right hand side you can see the format in DWG. Tap that, and my start name is going to be 100. That could be whatever you like. And the top 4 switches, the more relevant one to you is the object vertices. This one will populate points on vertices if you switch it on. So we just leave it on to show you what it is, what it means to bring object vertices in. Once you accept that, the file runs in, and we go back and we view this in CAD, and object vertices, you can see all them points there, point 104. If I ID it, you'll see the ITM coordinates on the right hand side, 6 digits to the left and 3 to the right, and that is in ITM. If you want to turn the points off and on for clarity, on the top right of the screen there you can see a little icon there for switching them off. If you want to look at this file, ITM file, over a satellite map, we go into maps beside 3D here, go into settings, Bing satellite map, and on you'll see where that building is relative to the existing buildings there. If you want to see any of these videos or any documents we have in our downloads page on hitechniques.ie, there is a understanding DXF exports in a link there in the downloads page. If you're looking for any more videos that aren't there, please put a comment up on what you'd like to see, and we will gladly upload them to show you how it's done. Thank you.